Hey guys, I'm back with another quick tutorial using the Modern Renaissance palette. First, I'm starting with this color Raw Sienna, and I'm just using this as my transition shade, putting that right in my crease, not being careful whatsoever. That's just what I do. Next up, I'm taking the color Red Orcha. I think that's how you say it. I'm putting that on top of my transition shade just to intensify it a little bit. Yet again, I'm still doing it messy. Next up, I'm taking the color Venetian Red, and I'm actually using the brush from the palette, and I really do like it. I'm putting this color on the corner of my lid. Next, I'm blending. What I love to do, blend, blend, blend. Just blend those edges. I have to. Next, I'm taking the color Primavera. I'm putting that on the inner corner of my lid. This look is so easy. I've only used 4 colors so far. Now I'm taking the color Love Letter and I'm putting that on my lash line. I don't normally use color on my lash line, but I thought, why not for this look? So after that, I'm just going to blend it using, honestly, I don't remember the name of this brush, but I'm blending. I'm adding a wing. I'm using my favorite Stila liquid liner. The only thing that I can say about wings is that they are practice. I can give you some tips and tricks, but it really is about practice. Once I have that done, I'm adding some lashes. These are Morphe lashes. They are very similar to Wispy's, and I honestly think that they're more expensive, but don't quote me on it. So I'm just putting those on. Once I'm done with that, I'm adding my lipstick. I hope you like that hot pink lip. I hope you like the look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.